Hello guys, sorry, cover the camera. I was just putting my Memcal in, and I figured, because I could not find a video on how to find the ECU, how to take the ECU out, I figured I'd make a video to help if there's just one person that doesn't know how to do this. So I've just figured it out myself. So this is the Mace Engineering Memcal, Performance Memcal, for my L67 VY Commodore. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same for all, pretty much, VR, VS, VN, probably not VN, VP, but like VR through to VY, or VZ. Pretty much, we have these two plastic pieces. This piece sits just up here, and you just pull it down. It's easy as that. This piece sits right here. This little bit goes into here, and there's one singular screw. So you just take the screw out, and you have to take this top piece out. You have to like push it and pull it out, and then your ECU is sitting right up here. It's just held in there by these little clips. You just bend them back, and the ECU just comes right out. Learning as I go, because I haven't done this. I'm assuming to take these. Oh, that's a Torx. Okay, let me get my Torx. Okay, so I'm assuming you just take these two screws out. Make sure you don't lose these, because these have to go back in, obviously. Just put with all my other screws. My car is very dirty at the moment because it's just pretty much a project car at the moment until I get my P's. Yep, so this screw into there. Alright, this comes out, and here's your stock Memcal. So you just take it, just gathering, just fucking pull it out. I'm gonna do this. It's just out. You just pinch these two things and just wiggle it out. Checked, and it goes in this way. I think you just. I'm gonna do this with two hands just so I don't break anything. All right, we've got it in here now. It's just right there. What you do now is just chuck this back on, just like that. Put the screws back in. You're golden. Now she's all closed up. Chuck her back up. Put your plates back in. You're good to go. Make sure. Before you start it, you disconnect your battery for like 30 seconds, reconnect it, it just resets everything, just so it doesn't shit itself when you start it, and it'll just, I don't know, I don't really want to find out what would happen if I didn't do that. So that's it. If this helped one person, I'll be very happy, because this is something I wish I had when I was just doing it. But it wasn't that hard once I figured out what I was doing. So I hope this helped. If it did, just let me know in the comment. Appreciate it. I'll be doing a lot of videos like this, how to install stuff. I'm about to do a bored out throttle body on the L67, so that's gonna be a bitch, but we'll do it. Cheers guys.